Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best roach killers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer. Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer is effective for about 3 months at keeping roaches and plenty of other 6-legged creatures at bay. Whether you're neck-deep in cockroaches or you're just preparing for or anticipating the worst, a perimeter spray is a great measure to take both inside and out. It also keeps far more than roaches out of your house and creates a buffer against an impressively diverse list of potentially more harmful critters. Wearing a mask, use the electric spray gun, included with the gallon-sized jug. Slightly dampen a 12-inch perimeter around your house and make sure to keep children and animals away from it until it's dry. For indoor application, spray a 4-inch band on the edges of doors and windows, plus anywhere else bugs could get in. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Raid Ant and Roach Killer. Kill-on contact spray is important to have for visible infestations. Keep in mind that it contains a cocktail of cypermethrin and imiprothyrin, among others, all of which are somewhat toxic to humans. Raid's Ant and Roach Killer insecticide spray is also handy when you have a clear idea of where the roaches are traveling. It remains temporarily lethal enough that if you spray their trail before shutting out the lights and heading off to bed, it will still harm them. Complete eradication requires a combination of approaches, and sprays like this won't kill the roaches you can't see and trace. A perimeter spray and bait stations will pick up most of your slack though. Raid Ant and Roach Killer insecticide spray is great to have on hand for pretty much any bug infestation. At number 3, we have the Advion Cockroach Gel Bait. When you have a serious infestation and can't pinpoint the source or the nest, a spreadable gel is a great option. You can smear it into any suspect, cracks, corners, and crevices. As hermetically sealed as your domicile may be, there are almost always cracks, and that is indeed how the roaches get in. Advion's Cockroach Gel Bait, with indoxacarb as its active ingredient, mercilessly attacks the pests, nervous systems, and spreads throughout the nest. Before long, the whole colony is wiped out. While application is more involved than opening a box and dispersing a few traps throughout the house, Advion's Cockroach Gel Bait comes with applicator tips so that it's not a horribly messy chore. At number 2, we have the Black Flag Roach Motel Traps. A self-contained trap like Black Flag's Roach Motel is often the most practical and comfortable approach. Cleanup is much less involved. Just pick it up and toss it once it's full or too tattered to perform its job any longer. It also entices and contains spiders, scorpions, crickets, and other insects. This is a great option for households with pets and small children. The active ingredient in these traps isn't a pesticide, but merely sticky tape. Even if their fingers or paws do find their way in, it's non-toxic. Roach motels come 2 to a pack. The way they work is simple. Black Flag's sweet proprietary concoction lures in the roaches and other pests. Once inside the trap, they find themselves attached to a sticky tape. And finally, at number 1, we have the Combat Max 12-month Roach Killing Bait. The heavy sprays and gels aren't necessary for the common, small roach. An insecticide with fipronil, like Combat's Max 12-month Roach Killing Bait stations, is more than adequate. The beauty of these contraptions is threefold. They're affordable, they last for a whole year as the packaging suggests, and the domino effect they have on the nest, and potentially the entire local population, is underway the second one individual roach takes the bait. We also particularly like how nondescript these bait stations are. Toss them under the fridge or in the back of the kitchen cabinet, and guests will never see them. Far and away, this is the easiest and cheapest solution to start with, but generally, you'll also have to take other measures. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.